Feeling sluggish and constantly reaching for that extra cup of coffee? You might think it's just stress, but often the real culprit is simple dehydration. Many of us mistake thirst for hunger or fatigue, masking the underlying issue. What if I told you the solution to your afternoon slump is often just a glass of water away? Let's dive into how dehydration affects your energy at a cellular level. Did you know that by the time you feel thirsty, you're already mildly dehydrated? Thirst isn't the body's first warning, it's more like a last resort. Symptoms like fatigue, headache, and difficulty concentrating often precede that feeling of needing a drink. So, let's learn to recognize the earlier signs and stay ahead of the dehydration curve. Water is crucial for nearly every metabolic process in your body. It helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, and flush out toxins. Think of water as the spark plug that keeps your metabolism firing on all cylinders. When you're dehydrated, these processes become sluggish, impacting everything from energy levels to fat burning. Even mild dehydration can significantly impact your brain function. Studies show that being just 2% dehydrated can impair attention, memory, and psychomotor skills. That means your ability to focus, learn, and react quickly all suffer when you're not properly hydrated. It's like trying to run a computer on low power. Your kidneys are your body's natural filtration system, and they rely on water to efficiently remove waste. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder, which can lead to kidney stones, UTIs, and even long-term kidney damage. Staying hydrated helps keep your kidneys functioning smoothly. The simplest and most effective way to hydrate is, of course, water. It's calorie-free, readily available, and essential for life. But how much do you actually need? Recommendations vary, but a good starting point is aiming for about 11 cups per day for women and 16 cups for men. Remember, that includes fluids from food, too. For those who are active or live in hot climates, electrolytes are key for optimal hydration. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help regulate fluid balance and nerve function. You can get them from sports drinks, electrolyte tablets, or naturally from foods like coconut water, fruits, and vegetables. Did you know that some foods are hydration heroes? Watermelon, cucumber, strawberries, and celery are all over 90% water. Eating these foods not only contributes to your daily fluid intake but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. It's a delicious and nutritious way to stay hydrated. Start your day with a hydration boost. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. This helps rehydrate your body after sleep and kickstarts your metabolism. You can add lemon or cucumber for extra flavor and benefits. Try drinking a glass of water about 30 minutes before each meal. This can help you feel fuller, prevent overeating, and improve digestion. It's a simple strategy that can have a big impact on your overall health and weight management. If plain water isn't your thing, get creative. Infuse your water with fruits, vegetables, or herbs to add flavor and make it more appealing. Berries, citrus fruits, cucumber, and mint are all great options. Experiment to find your favorite combinations and make hydration a delicious habit. Ultimately, the best way to stay hydrated is to listen to your body. Pay attention to the early signs of dehydration and drink water throughout the day. Make water easily accessible, carry a reusable bottle, and create reminders to drink regularly. Small changes can lead to big improvements in your health and well-being.